Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader, here with your Tuesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, so we talked yesterday about how the bears had to defend this rally. Well, they didn't do a very good job. It's not over yet. We're fighting over the daily mid-band here in the 60, basically the 68, 69 area. What the bulls need to do is follow through. They need to convert the daily mid-band to support, and then they can go to work up and towards the upper band, which would be a retest of the all-time high. That all doesn't have to happen today. But the reality of this market, basically yesterday, we just got long the open. I mean, they opened it up. They couldn't deal with 55, 56, and that was that. And the rest of the day was spent, basically bleeding the market higher. In the overnight last night, we ended up long 65. We tried some shorts in the 64, 65 area, and they got a little bit of traction, and then they would get stopped out. But, I ended up sending a special alert to my members last night when we were down at 65 saying, look, we got to get off the train tracks here. We need to get off the train tracks, and we need to either be long or flat. And, up to 73 it went. It's a situation where you've seen this before, where the bears can't get traction, the dip buyers get emboldened, and then areas like the daily mid-band basically become a magnet for price, and up we go. So I'll be interested to see how this battle for mid-band works out. In order for the band ride to be preserved, the bears would have to push it back to 46 and, tag the lower band by the end of Globex. Now, before you laugh too hard, it's been done before. It was done back in June, July. I don't know if it was done from this much distance, but they did push it back and save a band ride down there during the last pullback. So it can be done. They would need to obviously get below 68 there. They would have to then get below weekly pivot at 52. Remember that battle yesterday morning when we talked was over weekly pivot. Once that battle was lost, a move up to test the daily mid-band was pretty much going to happen. The bears would have to, like I said, they'd have to take out weekly pivot and then head back into this 46 area. It's not completely out of the question, but considering the price action of the last 18 hours, 18 to 24 hours, it's a lower probability outcome for sure. Okay, but that's still on the table. The bears' only job this week is to break 24-30 quarter if they can. What the bulls want to do now is keep doing this. Higher lows and higher highs. You can see the stairs. They need to get above this high, and they need to go to work on 24.88 half. Now, the rally that was sold from 74 half. High from last night, 73.25. So 73.74 is going to be an issue. 73.74 is going to be an issue every time that it's seen. So you have to keep that in mind. Okay, everybody have a fantastic morning. I will be around for a midday update today. And for all the subscribers, I'll see you in the room. We're going to continue what's been a very fun month. Trade them well. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princetontrader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.